Hey guys, here to tell you about our new bagger kit for our 94 to present Harleys. These will work on any Harley with a factory size tire in the back. It's going to give you about 1 inch clearance when it's all the way down for safety purposes. That's going to include a Vire 98C compressor, your switch, your fittings, everything you need to put it in, including a 1/4 inch dump valve. We have installation available here too. These kits are going to be starting out at $3.99 and we have them in stock now. Check it out. Now that's bad. To make it even more trick, we can even actually add a key fob remote on there so you can raise and lower it.